How to claim coupon codes in Zomato. Now, if you already have a special or a unique code that you can use to lessen up the prices on your cart, it's very basic to do. All you have to do is just go directly to your cart and before the payment, just input your unique code so you can have the discount of that item that you're trying to purchase. But if you do not have a specific code yet, what you can do is just to create another tab from your PC or any browser that you have on your end. Now what you can do from here is just simply type in grabon.in. Now this specific platform or site right here is allowing or giving us out certain amount of discounts for free. Now once you're here, just go to the search bar and simply type in Zomato and then just choose on the red icon or red highlighted text right here. So as you can see, there are tons of options where you can choose for you to enjoy a specific amount of discounts. So simply click on view coupon code and then just simply paste it on your card. So that's how you claim your coupon codes in Zomato.